Pickle. You gotta get up, buddy. You gotta get up. Sorry, buddy. I gotta move you. Look out. Well, here's all it is right here. Your tape. Shit'll work. Oh no, he's turning! Callaway County's finest handling the business, and I needed him to stay in front of me. Come on now. Come on now. I love you today. We all got to get our food before it snows. 45 feet of snow. Look at all this. All of us in Callaway County, Kentucky. 29 inches of snow. You gotta get them snacks. You gotta have that stuff to make some snow cream. It's cold. It's cold and icy. The roads are icy and stuff is closed. I think it's snowing a little bit. Snow would be cool, kind of over the ice, but it's pretty. So I've been taking all these selfies. I was going to try to do 50 in like 5 days, but that's not happening because I'm unorganized and I am, I don't know what I am. I would rather be shooting somebody else. I would rather be shooting somebody else, getting paid to shoot somebody else, but like I'm always telling people, like either be your own self, do your, be your real self. When they come to my shoots, I tell them to just wear what they normally wear, do it how they normally would look, or go all the way to another extreme. And so for myself, I've been taking it a little bit more to another extreme. And I would rather, so I'm just kind of trying to maybe pop out some ideas. I mean, I got more lines in my face than all of Scorsese's movies put together. Well, maybe if people can see what could be, what they could have their photos of, then we can do some portraits of you guys instead of me doing self-portraits. It's really cold outside and it is an ice storm right now, so nobody's trying to get their pictures made, I guess, but when you do, the possibilities are endless, and it's fun. It's always fun. It's always laid back. Okay, it's cold. Let's look. I know I look crazy, but it's fun, and so, it's whatever. Just play, have fun. I made a list. Lists are important. Keep you on point. I'm never on point. I'm just gonna kind of roll with it. Let's see, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I do know. Break. Don't love it. Fuck this, man. These fucking boots, man. Okay. Fuck, I hope these are right. God dang. These boots are not made for walking. We're in Kentucky woods. on a little location in a get up, something different, something just to have fun because I'm bored, and we're going to take some self-portraits and hopefully turn this into a video. But yeah, we're out here in these woods right now, and the temperature is dropping quickly, and we're going to try to make some portraits. Just go ahead and get one right here too. I reckon it's whatever. Here we go. It's starting to rain again. We gotta get the hell out of here quick. Oh, this rain! Oh, here comes a car. They're gonna be wondering what the hell. I would. If I looked down here and saw me, I think a ferry was happening out here in these woods and shit. Go on, go on. Oh, they want to talk. Yeah, I'm good. Doing photos. Yeah, thank you. Stay safe. I feel like I was way louder than I should have been. Loud and clear for me, boys and girls. Yes, that's friendly people in Kentucky. Okay, we're done. All my stuff is getting soaking wet. Everything's getting soaking wet, and I'm freezing.